In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add swing structure scanner in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're using the Pro version, since that's what this tutorial is based on. Once you're on your chart, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. You'll find the Indicators button at the top of the screen. Above your chart, go ahead and click on that. This is where you can search for and add any indicators you want to your TradingView layout. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This search box is really important because it lets you quickly find specific tools instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly inside that search box so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type in the name Swing Structure Scanner. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below in real time. Take a moment to double check the spelling so that the correct indicator shows up. Once you see Swing Structure Scanner in the list of results, move your cursor over it and click on it once. That single click will immediately add the indicator to your current chart. After you've added it, look back at your chart area. You should now see the Swing Structure Scanner overlaid on your price action. Depending on how the script is designed, you might notice labels, lines, or markings around swing highs and swing lows. If your chart looks a bit cluttered at first, don't worry, that's normal when you add a new tool. You can always fine-tune the settings. To adjust how it looks or behaves, hover over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart, then click the settings icon next to it. Inside the settings panel, you can usually change colors, line styles, or sensitivity, depending on what the indicator offers. Take your time here and tweak it, so it's visually clear and easy to read on your chart background. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want access to the same features and layout I'm using, check out the affiliate link in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're on the correct plan to follow along with tutorials like this one. And that's all you need to do to add Swing Structure Scanner to your TradingView Pro charts and start incorporating it into your trading workflow.